When a company says, we're like a big family here, that's usually a major red flag. But what if the employees are actually related? Meet Mitchell, a customer service rep for Creator Warehouse who also happens to be Colton's brother-in-law. But don't think of it as nepotism. Think of it as putting the bro in Trust Me Bro. See, jokes aside, Mitchell does his absolute best to ensure that anyone who reaches out to our support is quickly taken care of. But don't think of that as ominous. Think of it as, you know what? Don't think about that. Think about Christmas and playtime. Think about childhood nostalgia. Think about all the fun we're gonna have with Mitchell doing his $5,000 AMD Ultimate Tech upgrade. Beautiful setup upgrade, revitalization of his aging, decrepit desk setup, amazing figurines, and of course, amazing hardware from AMD. Are you tired of boring screwdrivers? Boom! 4 new colors of the brand new LTT transparent screwdriver. Plasma purple, cryo teal, molten orange, and carbon black. They're see-through, they're awesome, and they're probably gonna sell out.
The Prismagic screwdrivers are launching on December 26th at 6 a.m. PST. Sign up at the link below to get notified.
Collect them all, or maybe pair them with our brand new bid case and all over print hoodie. So Mitchell, my understanding is you're upgrading your setup. Where exactly is that? God, you have a problem.
Well, it's in my room, and also, how else do you think I survive customer service?
That's fair. Oh my God, you're another Funko degenerate. What the heck? Wow, that desk. Wait, I'm a little confused because the intro said your desk was really bad and needed to be upgraded, but this looks not that bad. This seems fine.
But it could be better.
Yeah, let's make it better. You have so much merch. You have like everything. Whale plushie, CPU pillows, bread pillow, prototype body pillow, commuter backpack, full-size backpack.
You probably don't want to open that.
Are you sure?
That's where I shoved everything.
Your closet doesn't have clothes in it. Everything is just more Funko Pops. What the heck? Step 1, why don't we have our lovely helpers, Adam and Reese, get started building this desk. Step 2, have you ever built a computer?
No.
Okay, would you like to?
I mean, it's worth a shot.
A shot? This guy's such a cut up, isn't he? We're not gonna need the case for a bit, but now seems like as good a time as any to talk about the case you picked.
This is the Starforge Clouded Gates design on what should be a Lean Lee case.
And you got a whole bunch of, these are for the light panel?
Yes.
Like just alternate ones depending on your mood kind of thing, or what was the thinking here?
What we got was a bundle. So it came with the light plates, the light box back here, desk mat, and wall art.
This is gonna be a lot of work to build. Okay, cool. Let's start with the usual. Even if you haven't built a computer before, have you watched a computer building video maybe?
Well, yeah, I want Char's.
Oh, okay, but you never felt like building your own computer?
Too much nerves.
Really? I find that surprising in your line of work. Do you know why you chose the Ryzen 9800X 3D?
To be fair, Adam chose it.
Okay. Well, what is it that you want to do with your computer?
Mostly game.
Okay, then Adam made a great choice. 8 cores, 3D V-cache. It's the bee's knees when it comes to gaming right now. Hey, speaking of Adam, how do you think they're doing on that desk?
We didn't plan it all. Here, one moment.
In with the noob. Now all you gotta do is just lift up this arm. Now just bury that in there. Next up, we've got our RAM, whose pricing lately could best be described as murderous. You went with 32 gigs, which I assume is because you managed to get your hands on this before the recent pricing shenanigans.
Yes. There we go.
Next up, we've got oh my God, how did you afford all this?
Adam found the way.
This is a 4 terabyte 990 Evo Plus. You have a TV too. How'd you get all this stuff?
Actually, I was under. So
Really?
Thank you, Adam.
No, thank you, Mitchell. Your upgrade means we get to do another giveaway. And this time you're getting a chance for you and a friend of your choosing to win an AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT.
You mean the Sapphire Nitro Plus?
Give those back!
Never!
The power of friendship!
Fine, they're yours!
Ha! They're not for us, they're for the viewer. Enter using the link below.
All right, revealing our PCIe slots. I would say we should go with this PCIe Gen 4 slot that goes directly to the CPU because this is a high performance drive, but it isn't one that's gonna benefit from a Gen 5 slot. At least not fully. It can run at Gen 5 by 2, which is exactly the same bandwidth as Gen 4 by 4. So why take up a slot that could provide 4 Gen 5 lanes? Maybe he'll find it in someone's pockets. We're making great progress. Let's strip all the panels off the case, and while we're doing that, why don't you check in with those guys?
Honestly, these Secret Lab desks are so simple to put together. The instructions are really good. Where did the toolbox go? Outside of this toolbox.
Don't screw it up. Screwed it. Damn it, Andrew. Stealing my thunder from behind the camera again. Take him out. Later, though. Man, these fans cost a fortune. Seriously, how did you afford all this stuff?
I went to Adam and we made some deals.
What does made deals mean? Everything sounds ominous when you say it.
You don't want to know.
I'm gonna install all those Lee and Lee fans on these rails then. Why don't you unbox that AIO cooler? Okay. It's really nice the way that Thermalright just decided to completely dunk on the entire rest of the cooling market. Their AIOs, super nice, super affordable, super convenient. All the fans are pre-installed and everything. So all you gotta do now is just grab anywhere between 4 and 12 of these screws and just screw those into the radiator.
So we actually got a Naruto special edition. It could have been nice.
Redo it. Okay, fine.
Hey, we gotta put the ends. Oh my god. We gotta put the ends on. Okay, lift it one more time. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? I had it so nice.
Did you notice that his desk comes with a mat? And then he has 2 desk pads? Is this getting to be a little bit hat on a hat on a hat?
Yeah. I talked to him about that, and he said, "Do not question me. This is what I'm asking for." And I said, "Okay."
Right, yeah. Because I guess you knew about the mallet thing already, hey?
What?
You saw the thing in the garage, right?
Oh, mallet.
Oh yeah.
I mean hatchet. There's a hatchet. Which is even worse.
Yeah, the backside is it was a combination hallet match.
Pallet match.
I mean,
Hey, how much thermal compound did you put on? Not that I don't trust you to do a good job.
That much?
Oh my god. Yeah, that's fine. You can't really put on too much. You can sure try, though. Hey, there we go.
Hey.
Good job, Mitchell.
Thank you.
You did most of it.
editor, this could probably be inserted anywhere. That feels good. Well, no, let's change those words. All right, so this is the parent's TV, right?
Yes.
What are we doing with this?
We're going to upgrade this from this older Samsung model into this new Hisense QLED.
Are you downgrading them in terms of size?
Well, in terms of size, yes, but in terms of overall quality, no.
I think this is going to be a huge upgrade. Hisense has been putting out like great budget TVs. Like this isn't a super expensive TV. I'm not trying to make you sound like cheap, but you could have bought your parents a nicer TV. I'm just kidding. This is going to be a much nicer TV. So let's get this unboxed, move this old TV out of here, and set them up with the new.
Somehow, just barely fits.
Shall we roleplay as your mom and dad?
It looks so natural.
Mitchell,
Yeah.
how do you turn this thing off? Get on in here, buddy. You do the honors.
Oh! Hey.
A Fire TV.
Yeah, apparently.
That's cool. You know, the speakers, not very good. Not very good. Maybe the next thing you buy him is a soundbar. You know what I think? If I was your dad, I'd be so proud of you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, son.
Time for me to figure out what all cables we need. This is gonna take me a while. There's so much RGB in here.
You didn't just get computer stuff and anime stuff. You also seem to be a big Nintendo fan, which is why you got Kirby Air Riders, the latest and greatest, the best racing game from Nintendo to come out this year. And you also got this. What is this?
This is the LEGO Legend of Zelda Great Deku Tree, which is 2-in-1.
Naturally, we don't have enough time to build a 2,500 Lego piece set, so let's talk about some of the other things you got, like some new Apple gear.
So I got the AirPods Pro free.
And I guess to combo that, you got
A new phone.
iPhone 17.
Yeah, iPhone 17.
Here I was about to put in this GPU that Mitchell won at the Christmas party last year. I realized I haven't wired up still more RGB.
And then of course we got a dbrand case to go with it. Thanks dbrand, these grip cases are awesome. And let's see the pattern you chose. What did you choose?
I got our glow circuit.
Ooh, the custom LTT circuit. And I guess they got the Spider-Man
and
ones as
the
well.
Carnage, yeah.
But our custom glow-in-the-dark dbrand skin.
All right. Heck yeah. Okay, we're ready. We're ready. We're going in, boys.
Let's go.
Ow! Got my pinky there. Damn, girl. It's a nice looking setup. Do the honors? Nice. Oh, that looks pretty good. This went straight to DRAM LED on the second boot. I just reseated the memory. Okay, well, there's definitely thermal compound on there. Hold on, the RGB on the motherboard just woke up, which to me means, yep, there we go, we're at the VGA stage. We might have a bad stick. Let's just close this, and then we're gonna try the other stick by itself. Yeah, you got a dead stick of memory. Yeah. So, nice. Wow. Yay.
Just sell it on eBay.
Oi. But the good news is it means we can get your system up and running today, and then you just RMA this, and then pop the new one into the slot, and you should be good to go.
So I went with the Koi design that they have. There's also a couple of samurai. There was one girl that he sent.
He didn't want anyone to notice him. That's why he went with decoy.
The whole point of the light box is that you're supposed to be able to easily like slide it out and then hot swap the plates for it.
Ready? Big moment. Boom.
Yeah.
That's the ticket right there. Ooh. You're gonna have to go red on your RGB.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, or white.
Let's go red.
Yeah, red. It's kind of his thing, right? Like he doesn't want to get any stains on the shirt or the computer.
Date a cable. I can't even date a woman.
Probably not everything from this video is gonna make it into the YouTube cut, so lmg.gg/floatplane. Hey, while we're at it, lttstore.com. Nice. And if you ever have a problem with your order, you might talk to this guy. Well, through text. You might text him, which is probably good because if you ran into him in person, that might mean something went wrong somewhere along the way. Oh, you didn't. Why is this a thing now? People have to just like buy a super expensive thing just so that I can be upset about it.
Yeah, that's the reason.
It does appear to be a significant part of the reason. Okay, what is this? Explain it.
This is a statue depicting a battle from season 2 of My Hero Academia.
Well, that'll get you girls.
I mean, have you looked around?
Yeah, I don't see any girls.
Yeah.
To be clear, none of my lifestyle choices are particularly about getting girls either. Girl, yes, but that's all I need. So I think I get it, right? Because this guy is like a dark angel of some sort because he's got the big wings. And he's tough because he has spikes on his boots and like he has a mask, so he's definitely the bad guy. And then this guy's like he's almost like kind of smiling with his like battle face, and he wears Crocs, so he's stylish. So he's probably the good guy. And the moral of the story is that you don't have to be the taller combatant to win. As long as you fight dirty. Does he fight dirty?
No.
Oh, well, how's he win then?
Power of
friendship.
Of what? Friendship?
Someone comes in and helps him. And then
What's his name? Twilight Sparkle? Okay. So on a scale of like 0 to Animorphs, how cool is this?
I didn't know a scale could go from 0 to 0.
Wait, what? The first game you're gonna play on your new system is a Sonic game?
As well.
Is it good?
It's so fun.
Really?
Best kart racing that's come out this year.
Huh. Cool, this is sick. Your system's totally working.
Well, I guess that means we don't need you anymore.
What does that mean?
Oh, hey, didn't see you there, but what a great upgrade, huh? We got a new computer, fully upgraded, new Switch games, some stupid anime figures. It's all amazing. What else could you want? Also, did I mention an iPhone 17 and AirPods? Amazing. Great work, Mitchell. Thanks for watching this upgrade. If you enjoyed this, maybe you'll like another one in this series. You can see me in my upgrade shirt and the one that just came out like a month ago for James Scott. It's a pretty fun one.